everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to film myself getting ready to sit on the couch. Yeah, you heard right. So if you want to learn how to get this sunset spring makeup look, then please keep on watching. So starting off with eyes, I'm taking this white pearly shade from the Jaclynhill palette and highlighting my brow bone. Now taking this NYX Fire palette, I'm going to be taking these two shades and applying them on my crease as a transition shade. Now I'm just taking this blending brush and just cleaning whatever color is left on there, and taking this light brown shade from the Jaclynhill palette and applying it right below that transition shade. You're gonna want to blend out to create that nice cat eye shape. Now taking this medium brown shade, we're just gonna blend it over the other colors that we just applied. Then I'm just taking this dark brown shadow to darken up my crease. So now moving on to the lid, I'm taking this Foil Frenzy Revolution palette and I'm going to take the gold yellow shade and put that all over my lid. I'm taking this lighter yellow color and popping it right in the center just to make this makeup look a little bit more brighter. Here I'm just blending any harsh edges. Now for liner, I'm using this one by Amuse Cosmetics. So just be careful not to mess up your liner like I did, but if you do, just take a Q-tip and you're ready to go. Now for the lower lash line, we're just going to take that dark brown shade and blend it out. And of course, lots of mascara. To contour my face, I'm just going to be using this 3D Contour Artiste palette by Kiss, and I'm going to wet my beauty blender and bronze my face. For highlighter, I'm just using this cream golden highlighter and applying it right above my cheeks. and of course everywhere else. Now for concealer, I'm going to be applying this one by Pro.conceal in the shade Yellow. I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. I'm taking that same blending brush and just blending any harsh lines. I'm just contouring my nose with that same blending brush. I'm not adding any color to it, just whatever is left. To brighten my under eye, I'm just taking this yellow translucent powder and just putting it all under my eye. With this face powder, I'm just setting everything in place. To set that cream bronzer, I'm just taking a darker face powder and applying it all over the perimeters of my face. For blush, I'm just using this pink shadow and applying it right on my cheeks. Now I'm just wiping all that powder and I'm gonna be applying this blush. It has like an orange tint to it, so I'm just gonna be applying that on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm gonna be highlighting my tear duct with this pink baked highlighter. I wasn't really happy with that highlighter on my tear duct, so I'm just gonna take this Cover FX highlighter palette and take that pink and white opal shade and apply it in my tear duct and also on the bridge of my nose. Again, I'm gonna take this baked highlighter and I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. For lips, I'm gonna take this nude liner and just line out my lips and fill them in with this pencil. And for a more pouty look, I'm going to be applying that same highlighter on the center of my lips. And apply this nude liquid lipstick all over my lips. I felt like this makeup look was missing some orange, so I'm going to be applying this burnt orange shadow all over my lower lash line. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and comment below what other videos would you like to see on my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.